Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how we can actually clear our background. You understand? So we downloaded this, created this design on Canva. I showed you in my last video. If you haven't watched the last video, you can go and check it. Just click on my name, my name down below. It's going to take you to my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you feel my videos and you want to watch more. I'm very sorry about the parking on the ground. It's actually my neighbor's dog. Yeah, it's actually disturbing us. So I'm going to show you how you can actually remove the background on this particular design that we actually did. We created this design. I'm just waiting for it to load. So we created this design, and the last video I showed you how you can actually create logos on your Canva. So we get these two designs. So I'm going to show you how you can actually remove the design. You can remove the design on Canva, but that is if you pay for the premium. You understand? But if you do not pay for the premium, then you need to do it in another way, which I'm going to be showing you right now in this video. So let's move on into it. So we're actually going to go to your Google, like your Chrome or your browser. You understand? Just type on background remover, you understand, or background remove. Actually is going to connect you to background remove, which is, so remove the background. This is the first website. You see the first link, then click on it. It's actually very simple. You don't need to even log in to their website before you remove the background. You understand? It's automatically free. Automatically, yeah, it's fucking free. Then you upload the image right here. I'm going to try and upload it. So I actually did upload it, you see, and then boom, this is actually what happens. You understand? So it's so simple, so simple. You just need to just do it this way, you understand, and that's done. Though you download it right like this, and see, so it's actually done. You understand? That's how you actually do your stuff like that, and that's all. So if you like this video, click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and smash the notification bell, because it's very important if you don't want to miss my next video. It's actually going to be a playlist. You understand? I have started the Canva tutorial, and I'm going to continue dropping all the tutorials now. So thank you later.